She's so focused. Look at her.
I'm reading about her being rejected.
Whoa.
That's why I turned on the light, because I wanted a good picture with the mirror. You're recording.
Hi guys.
Hello!
Hi. Guess what?
Can I say it?
Yeah, go ahead. Go
We're
ahead.
going to Florida!
For my birthday.
It's gonna be old.
I'm gonna be 30, which will be in the title of this video. So
So old.
I am. She's older. She's 2 years older. So I don't know what she's talking about here. This is really hard to do when she's short.
Is it better?
No. But right now we stayed in a hotel last night, which I didn't film any of that, so we're starting the video here.
Yep.
But we stayed in a hotel near the airport, and we are on our way to the airport.
Excitement!
From today through Saturday, we'll be at Universal, and then we'll be at Disney from Saturday until we come back, which is a whole week and a half at Disney.
Yeah, very much.
Pretty much. But that is it, because we gotta get downstairs. But I wanted to start this video off properly compared to our last one we did.
Yeah.
And I will link our last trip below if you guys want to see that. So right now we are gonna head downstairs to our shuttle.
Yes.
Adios.
Bye! Ooh, close up on my face.
Alright guys, this is the room at Aventura, Universal's Aventura Hotel. Ready, Brittany? Okay, so this is the main entryway. The door's over here. Pretty door. So this is the main entrance. You walk in, and this is the room. Ta-da! We're done.
No bathroom.
There's the bed over here. So this is one bed. And it has 2 lights on the side of it. You have an iPad, which I think you use to do things. And you have drawers. Over here, you have the fridge. How do you open this thing? There we go.
Yeah, I did the same thing.
You have a little fridge. It's a mini fridge. And then you have drawers, which I think are empty. And a little coffee pot. And then in here is a closet. So from the desk here, you got the closet, which has a safe, an ironing board, or an ironing board, hangers, and then you got the rack for your suitcase, and then some sheets down there, it looks like.
It's pillows and a blanket.
Pillows and a blanket. Alright, so that's the little closet here. And then when you turn around, there's a tiny, itty bitty little TV up there. It's very tiny. You got like a Brittany, you're in the shot. Then you got the chair. And then you got a bed over on this side. So there's a bed in this corner, and then there's a bed over here behind me. And then once again, you have 2 nightstands over here with plugins, which is great because one of my things broke, so I need those. And the lights. And then this is the best part, but we'll show you it more so at night because right now it's really hot. But it's all glass. It's creepy. Yeah, it's creepy and cool. Now, when you go over here, so this is the first bed I showed you, Brittany's bed. You come over here, and there's like a little desk with a light. And I think this is a speaker right here.
I think it's a speaker with kind of like a...
I think so. And then you come over here, and this is where the bathroom is. So you got the sink. And you got the garbage and some toilet paper and... Oh, it looks like there's a hairdryer back there in the corner and a cup. And then you got like face towels and stuff here. So then you come in the bathroom, so you got a... This is a shower. Here. And then it looks like you got one of those rack things where you can hang your swimsuits on if they're wet to dry. That's here, and then you got some shampoo and conditioner over here and some soap. And then, of course, the toilet and some extra towels. And look at that little fun design on the back. Alright, so that's the room. Basic, simple. Brittany's over here. She's about to change into some shorts.
Because it's hot.
It is hot. But that's the room for now. I think we're going to go over to City Walk and get some Panda Express. Because we're hungry. And well, maybe we'll do some shopping today. But that's pretty much what today's going to consist of. Is just that. Because it's, what, almost probably 4:30 at this point. So yeah, so that is what we're going to do for now. And we'll keep updating you guys as the day goes on. What do you think, Brittany? You excited? Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. So since we're celebrating my birthday, they gave me a birthday card, and it looks like, I'm assuming this is all the staff that signed it. So that's kind of fun. And then of course, if you didn't know, you also get a happy birthday pin for Universal, just like Disney does. And I just put my name on it because I'm not creative. But that is what I got for my birthday, since I am celebrating my birthday on this trip. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at the map to see what there is in this wonderful environment of a hotel.
You sound like Gru from Despicable Me.
From Anastasia. I would give her a hook and a hiya.
It sounded more like a Gru. I mean, we're at Universal. That would make more sense. Do you like your map?
It's beautiful.
All right. Hold it up then, so they can see.
The better.
Quit moving it. So
yeah,
this is.
I'm showing you on the back.
Oh my
It
gosh.
shows the park.
The parks. And then go back to the front and hold it still. And this is the map of the hotel. So everything you stop it. This is everything you can do at the park, at the hotel. God, now you're messing me up. Bye-bye.
The TV keeps coming on and it's weirding me out. Like, are we gonna be sleeping and then the TV randomly comes on?
Brittany, behave.
Never.
You good?
I'm fine. How my wings? Are my wings good?
You got your wings to make you fly? What do you think, Brittany? Should we go golfing?
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow?
Yeah.
Well, if we do that, we might want to get up early if we want to do a half day at Universal.
Yeah. That was so fun. Is that an Addams Family?
I don't think so. I think it's supposed to be like a haunted, because there's the alien one and then a haunted one, I think. Oh, I better watch where I'm going. Brittany,
What?
how was our city walk adventure?
It was fun.
I didn't film any of the stores, unfortunately, guys. I apologize. But there is a lot of people, and I had a lot of things in my hands. But yeah, so we got back from city walk. I'm going to show you the view here in a second. But we went to Voodoo Donuts, which I don't think I ever filmed that. We went to the Universal store and the Universal Legacy store.
Yes.
And then we got our tickets for the next couple days.
Yeah.
So that was fun.
Yeah. And we had food at Panda Express,
Oh yeah, we had food at Panda,
which was delicious.
which is delicious. I mean, I got the orange chicken, and then I tried the walnut shrimp
I just
and
got
fried
orange
rice.
chicken.
She got like the big plate with just like orange chicken and white rice.
Because it's delicious.
It is good. I don't blame you for doing that. But that was pretty much what we did today.
Yeah.
It's kind of the end of the day. This video may go in tomorrow, may not. If it does, see you tomorrow. If it doesn't, adios.
Farewell.
Actually, no, we're waiting for a robot to come to our room.
Yes.
And so we'll show you that, but we're so excited to see this robot come to our room. And if you want to know how to get the robot, I thought it was, where did you put the iPad?
I put it back.
Oh, there's an iPad in here. Oh my god, that's horrible. There's an iPad in here that controls everything, and I thought somebody in a video I saw said that that's how they ordered it, and it's not. They have you text your phone.
Is he here?
Oh, he's on his way. They have you text the front desk, and they'll send up something with it in the robot. So that's what we're waiting for. So if you want to ever do that here, you gotta text them, and they'll tell you that up front, just so you know.
They will.
Because it confused me. I thought it was the other
They
way.
will ask you if they can send you the welcome message. You say yes, and then from there you can text them.
Yeah. So if you're ever looking into that, that's how you do it. Don't go by the iPad that they have that controls everything in here. But yeah, so we're waiting for that. And while we do that, maybe I'll show you her donut. I got plain donut at Voodoo Donuts. I got like a strawberry frosting one, and what was the other one I got? The Oreo. I got an Oreo one.
And I got I think it's called a Portland cream, and he has little eyeballs made out of cream, and it's really cute. And then I got a Universal Orangesicle, I believe is what it's called, and it looks like a orange creamsicle, and it's amazing.
All right, Brittany, open the box.
What's in the box?
Watch, our robot's gonna show up. Alright, so these are her donuts. That's the Orangesicle one.
Yeah, it says Orangesicle on it.
And this is the...
He's got a face.
So that's what she got. Mine are in a bag, so they're not as easy to look at.
And I really wanted the pink box to carry around. I wanted the box because it says good things come in pink boxes. They ain't lying. It's delicious.
Unfortunately, mine's in a bag, so it's a lot harder to show you guys. So I'm not going to show you. But it's very basic. So if I find a picture, maybe I'll insert it for you guys. If not, just think of us donut with strawberry frosting on it and Oreos on it with like cream, white frosting. Oh, where is that? What's over there? Okay, guys, we got something here. It says your delivery has arrived. The robot's outside. Don't open it yet. Wait. Okay, go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? You're adorable.
I'm totally following him. He's heading home, guys.
He's fast.
Keep the door. You gotta.
He's fast.
Where the hell is he going? there's people down there now.
He's fast.
I wanted to watch him go to the elevator.
At least we got to see him.
There was a robot at our door.
He was amazing.
He was adorable.
When I gave him the 5-star rating, he was like...
He was adorable.
That was amazing.
I totally want to do it again. I want to do it more than once. Alright, I'm going to show you guys the view now. Sorry, the lighting in here is really bad. Alright guys, here's our view, which is kind of eerie now that it's dark. That over there, I think, is like that fun zone place, that fun spot place. But there is Volcano Bay, which we are not going.
No.
Brittany doesn't like water parks.
I don't mind water parks. It's just cold.
It is not cold. But look at that. That's so pretty. It looks better in real life. Like the camera kind of makes it.
I don't know. That's kind of cool there.
It's not as cool as that is.
Yeah.
So.
It kind of takes away the lighting differences. It kind of blurs together.
Yeah, kind of. And then this hotel.
Continental?
Is it? No, it's the Cabana Bay.
Well, yeah, but
The sign's right there.
I know, but it's for Continental.
I don't know. All I know is I think that's all connected as one. So that's the Cabana Bay one, which is the more expensive resort. Since we're doing Disney and we're doing more expensive at Disney, we went a little cheaper here. But this one's pretty nice.
They have a nice pool over there. We should go try it.
We should.
That's one of the perks of staying at the Aventura. You can also use the different pools in the area, right? Which one? The Cabana and the other one? What was the other one?
I don't remember the name of the other one.
Sapphire Bay? Was that it?
And maybe that might be what it was. Yeah.
There's a couple of other hotels when you stay at the Aventura, you can use their pools. You just go up and you show them your room key and
Yeah.
they hook you up. So.
Yeah. So, the fun fact from Brittany.
Fun fact!
I had to turn the light on because she was just black. A blob. Is there anything else over here? I'm done doing Brittany's dance.
There's the Starlight, which is part of the Cabana Bay.
So yeah, this is all the Cabana Bay. You can't see it because there's a glare with the lights, but that's fine. So this is the view, guys. It's this whole giant window that we have here.
It's not creepy at all. I mean, can you think of like how weird is it? Like if people looked up here, they would see us.
If they looked up, we're pretty high up.
I know.
Hi, peoples.
You can see my nose.
Brittany,
Right?
you're not supposed to be marks on the window. You know how hard it is probably to clean these windows?
It's not my job.